The sound alone is such a tranquility feeling. Back to our hiking. Hopefully I'll be able to be doing more daily dose of nature videos with my guy. We're out here. It's cloudy, but it's beautiful. It's cloudy, but it's a beautiful day, and there's a little bit of sun out. Just trying to gaze through. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. And he is enjoying it all. It's important to get out, people. Despite all the stupid shit that's going on in this world, take some time out for yourself, for your mental. Stop watching that stupid fake news inside of a television. Television. That's what that is. Vision. Television. Television. So that's what it is. A bunch of lies, people. Exaggerating all the things that's going on in this world. Get out in nature. There's nothing better than that. Come on, puppy. Come. Come on. Come on. Let's go walk. Keep walking. Good boy. Pretty soon this park will bloom into a beautiful odyssey. Cannot wait. Hope everybody enjoys their week. It's going to be beautiful out. Namaste and blessed day to all. Sending love, positive, and hugs to everyone from Daily Dose of Nature.